Fay is nearly stationary, but is forecast to move slowly west-northwestward toward north-central Florida later today. A flash flood warning is in effect until noon for Brevard County. Historic rainfall totals of 20 to 25 inches have been reported in southern portions of Brevard. I will visit Brevard as soon as we finish this today. Flood watches are posted for most of east central and north Florida. Flood warnings continue for Glades and Hendry counties through 3:45 this afternoon. Standing water is already a serious concern there, and the area could see additional rainfall. Health officials urge all Floridians to take precautions against mosquito-borne diseases. Rainfall totals of 8 to 15 inches with higher local totals are expected through the weekend in North Florida. Isolated tornadoes are possible in northeast and north central Florida today. High seas and extensive beach erosion are expected along the northeast Florida coast through Friday. Floridians should continue to monitor local news for information pertinent to their geographic location. They should stay calm, stay smart, and make sure that they stay safe. Travel is not recommended in the flooded areas for the obvious reason. Do not drive in those flooded areas, as it will cause a wake that could end up just being enough to put it in somebody's house.